Hello students, welcome to the classes. In this session, we will continue with problems on probability. Now let's see the concept of playing cards today. So you can see here the set of playing cards is given here. There are total of 52 cards. Out of that 26 are red, 26 are black. There are 13 diamonds, 13 hearts, 13 spades and 13 clubs. You can see here we have given the numbers here, and out of those 13 they start with A for ace. Okay, and there are 4 aces in total here, you can see, right? And there are J's also, J for jack, or it's also called as knave, and Q for queen, and K for king. Okay, these face cards are also called as cold cards. These J, Q, K are called as face cards. They are also called as cold cards. Right, now this is a structure of playing card system. Now let's see the first question. A card is drawn at random from well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. The probability that the card is either face card or a 6. See how many face cards you have. Here you can see there are 12 face cards. Or means what? Plus. And how many sixes we have? Here you can see there are 4 sixes in total. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sixes. 12 plus 4, 16. So what's the probability? 16 divided by total number of cards is 52. 4 4s are 4 13s are. So what's the answer? 4 by 13, option 1. Right. Now let's see the second question. The probability of drawing a card which is a spade or a king from well shuffled pack of playing cards is, see, which is a spade. How many spades we have? 13 spades. I'll write 13. Or means plus. How many kings we have? 4 kings. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll write 4. But here you can see this king is also included in the spades and also included in the king's part. Right, it has been included twice. So I will remove one case because it is included twice. I want to include one card only once. Right, so I will remove once. 13 plus 14, 17. 17 minus 1, 16. So what's the probability? 16 by 52. 4 4s are 4 13s are. So which option? Option 3, 4 by 13. And the third one, okay, in shuffling a pack of cards, 4 cards are accidentally dropped. You can see 4 cards are dropped, and the probability that the cards dropped are 1 from each suit. See, you are dropping 4 cards. So how many ways, total ways of selection of 4 cards is nothing but 52C4, because there are 52 cards and you have to select 4 cards. And you are given with what? You need to find the probability that each card, I mean out of the 4 cards, you will have one card from each suit. 13 diamond we have, we want to have one card out of it, 13C1, into from 13 hearts we want to have one card, 13C1, into from spade, okay, we have 13 spades, I want to select one. From 13 club I want to select one, so that you will get 4 cards here total. Now what is 13C1 value? 13C1 is nothing but 13, because I told NC1 is nothing but N. So 13 into 13 into 13 into 13. So what's the answer? 13 raised to 4. So here I will write 13 raised to 4. So which option? Option 2, 13 raised to 4 by 52C4. Let's see the fourth question. If a card is drawn at random from well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards, the probability that it is a cold card is, see, you are drawing just one card. So whenever you are drawing one card, you need not use combinations. See, the probability that it is a cold card. Cold cards are nothing but face cards, as I told. How many face cards you have? 12. Total number of cards is 52. Now 4 3s are 4 13s are. So what's the answer? 3 by 13. Which option? Option 2, 3 by 13. Right. Now let's see the fifth question. Two cards are drawn at random from a pack of 52 well shuffled cards. The probability that the cards drawn are aces. See how many aces we have? There are 4 aces. You are drawing how many cards? 2 cards. So what's the answer? 4c2 by 52c2. See, these are favorable events. It means there are 4 aces. Out of that I want to select 2. So these are total number of events. There are 52. I have to select 2. Now 4c2 is what? 4 into 3 by 2 into 1. 52c2, 52 into 51 divided by 2 into 1. Now 2 and 2 cancel. 4 ones are 4 13s are, 3 ones are 3 17s are. We get 1 by 13 into 17 we got. Right. 1 by 13 into 17 is 221. So which option? Option 3, 1 by 221. Right. Now let's see the next question. When a card is drawn at random from well shuffled pack of 52 cards, the probability that it may be either king or a queen. How many kings we have? 4 kings. How many queens? 4 queens. 4 plus 4, total 8. So probability is 8 by 52. 4 2s are 4 13s are. So what's the answer? 2 by 13. Right. So which option? Option 3, 2 by 13. Right. Now let's see the seventh question. A pack of cards is distributed among 4 hands equally. It means 52 cards are distributed to 4 people. That means each of them will get how many cards? 13 cards. There are 4 people and 13 each. Now the probability that 5 spades, 13 clubs, 3 hearts and rest of the diamonds. See, here you can see how many spades we have. See, spades we have 13. All each suits we have what? 13 each. Right. Now here what they have asked, from those suits. Okay, from those suits we have to select 5 spades. It means out of 13 spades I have to select 5 into 3 clubs, 13 C3 and 3 hearts, 13 C3 into, now rest of them are diamonds. So we want total 13 for one person. Now here you can see 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 are done. Remaining 2 cards are to be diamond. So 13 C2 divided by total number of cards is 52. Out of that, how many cards I am giving it to a person? 13 cards. Right. So what's the answer? Which option? You can see the option 3. Right. Now let's see the next question. If 2 cards are drawn from well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards, the probability that there will be at least one club card is, see, as I told, probability of at least one club is nothing but what? 1 minus probability of no club. Right. Now 1 minus no club means what? You should not have club cards. How many club cards we have? We have 13 club cards. Remaining how many? 39. Now no club means I have to select 2 cards out of these 39. So 39 C2 divided by total number of combinations is what? 52 C2. Because there are total 52 cards, I am selecting 2 cards. So which option? Option 2. Right. Now let's see the next question. From well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards, 2 cards are drawn at random. The probability that either both are red or both are kings. See how many red cards we have? 26. Out of those 26, I have to select 2. So 26 C2. Or means plus. How many kings we have? 4 kings. Here you can see. Right. Out of those 4 kings, I have to select 2. Minus, see, these 2 kings are also included in red part as well as what? The black part. So what I will do, there are total 2 kings which are repeated. Out of those 2, I have to select 2 only because I am selecting 2 cards. It means I need to neglect that one condition, where because these kings are also included in red also, as well as what, in the kings also. How many kings are repeated? 2 kings. Okay, and how many cards I have to select? 2 cards. So what's the option? 2C2. I should remove it, divided by what's the total possible combinations. Out of 52, I have to select 2, right? So which option? Option 2, right? Now let's see the next question. 4 cards are drawn at random from well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. The probability that all 4 are hearts but 1 is queen. See, all 4 are hearts. How many hearts we have? 13 hearts. But they are telling 1 is queen. So if 1 is queen, okay, and they are telling all 4 are hearts. See, out of the hearts, how many queens we have? We have 1 queen. So if I remove this 1 queen, okay, how many cards you are left with? We are left with 12 cards. Out of that, I have to select only 3 because I am totally selecting 4 cards. Okay, out of that, 1 queen is already selected. 1 has to be queen. Remaining are 12 cards. Out of that, I have to select what? 3. 12C3 divided by 52C4. In reality, we are actually selecting what? 4 cards. Or you can write like this, into 1C1, because there is only 1 queen of heart and I am selecting that 1 queen also. But this 1C1 is 1, so no need to write this. So what's the option? 12C3 by 52C4, option 2. Right, now let's see the next question. 5 cards are drawn at random from well shuffled pack of 52 cards. The probability that out of these 5, there will be just 1 ace. See, they are telling there will be just 1 ace. There are 4 aces now. Out of those 4 aces, I have to select 1 ace into remaining cards are 48 because there are totally 52 cards. I will remove 4 aces. Out of those, I have to select 4 cards. Why? Because I am selecting total of 5 cards. Here 1 is ace, remaining 4 are non-aces. So divided by 52, C5. Right, now because I am selecting 5 cards out of 52 cards. So which option? Option 3. Right, now let's see the 12th question. 2 cards are drawn simultaneously from well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. 2 cards are drawn. The probability that one of them is an ace of hearts. See, one of them is an ace of hearts. Means what? See, let's say I am drawing 2 cards. Now let's say this is ace of heart and let's say this is another case. Let's do one thing, let's write as other card. Or the first one may be other card and second one may be what? Ace of this card. I mean ace of heart. I'll write ace of heart. Ace of heart. Right. Either of these 2 cases are possible because I am drawing 2 cards. Now to select ace of heart. How many ace of hearts we have? Only 1. 1 divided by total number of cards is 52 into. Now here I will write 51. Why? Because you have selected 1 card out. You are left with 51 cards. Now how many cards you can select now? You are given with the condition that one of them is ace. Other can be anything. So you have total 51 cards. You can select any one of those cards. Means you have again 51 options. Right. Now here or other card. This case. First I am selecting other card. Except the ace of heart, we have 51 cards. There are initially total 52 cards. And when I have selected 1 card, other card, I am left with 51. Out of that I have to select the ace of heart. Ace of heart we have only 1. Right, now see 51, 51 cancel, 51, 51 cancel. 1 by 52 plus 1 by 52, 2 by 52. 2 ones are 2 26 are. What's the answer? 1 by 26. Which option? Option 2, 1 by 26. Now let's see the 13th question. The chance of drawing a king, queen and knave in that order from a pack of cards in 3 consecutive draws, right? When the cards are not being replaced is, cards are not replaced means every time you draw a card, okay, the number of cards decreases by 1 unit. See, there are total 52 cards now. When you draw a card, you will get 51. When you draw a card, you will get 50. Now initially you have to get a king. How many kings you have? 4. Now if you draw one king, do they affect number of queens? No, because you have drawn one king. Now how many queens you have? 4 queens. Now when you have drawn king and queen, how many names you have? You have 4 names, right? So what's the answer? Which option? Option 1, right? Now let's see the next question. A card is drawn from well-shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. It is replaced in the pack after noting its color. It means we are replacing here. The number of cards before and after remains the same. Again, okay, again, this has to be again. A card is drawn at random. The probability that first card may be heart, second card may not be queen. See, first card may be heart. How many hearts we have? 13 hearts divided by 52. And second card may not be queen. Except queen, you have 4 queens. Except queen, how many you have? 48 divided by 52 only, because you are replacing it back. It means number of cards remains the same. Now see, 13 ones are, 13 fours are, 4 ones are, 4 12s are, 4 3s are, 4 13s are. So what's the answer? 3 by 13. Which option? Option 3. Right. Now let's see the next question. Let's see the 15th question. A card is drawn at random from well-shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. It is replaced in the pack after noting its color. Again a card is drawn at random. The probability that both the cards are red. See, initially how many red cards you have? 26 red cards out of 52 into, after drawing you are keeping it back, right? It means again what you get? Again you have 26 red cards, and what you have to get? 52. I mean you have total of 52 cards only, because you are replacing it back, right? Now what's the probability? 26 ones are, 26 twos are, 26 ones are, 26 twos are. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. What do you get? 1 by 4. Which option? Option 3. Right. Let's see the next question. A pack of cards is distributed to 4 players as in the game of bridge. It means if you are distributing pack of cards to 4 players out of 52 cards, okay, you have 4 players. It means each of them will get, okay, 13 cards. There are 4 players, right? Now the probability that a particular player will not get an ace in 3 consecutive games. 3 consecutive games means I will write 3 probabilities multiplied by into. Okay, total cards 52. Out of that you are giving 13 cards to him. Here total cards 52. Out of that you are giving 13 cards to him. 52 C13. Right, and he will not get ace. How many aces you have? 4. Except aces, how many cards you have? 48. You have to give him the cards. You have to give him 13 cards out of 48 only. So 48 C3, C13. Next case also same, 48 C13. Next case also same, 48 C13. So is it not cube? So 48 C13 divided by 52 C13 whole cube. Which option? Option 2. Right. Now let's see the next question. 3 cards are drawn successively with replacement. The probability that obtaining 2 aces and 1 king is, with replacement they are telling, right? Now let's think that we get 2 aces and 1 king. Now see, probability of getting 1 ace is what? 4 by 52, because there are 4 aces here. You are replacing it. It means what? Again you draw one more ace. Again the probability is 4 by 52, because whatever the card you have drawn, you are keeping it back. Now how many kings? 4 by 52 again. Now what you get? 4 ones are, 4 13s are, 4 ones are, 4 13s are, 4 ones are, 4 13s are. You get 1 by 13 cube. But is it the only combination possible? No. You can have 2 aces, 1 king here, or you can have ace, king, ace, or we can have king, ace, ace. So there are 3 possible combinations. So to this probability I will multiply by 3. Okay, so what do you get? 3 ones are 3. 3 by 13 raised to 3. Which option? Option 3. Right.